MEUs exist really to do two things: to help good people and to hurt bad people when they need it. MEUEX is one of a series of exercises we do to make sure that all the elements of the MEU are all prepared to work together as a cohesive team to respond to crisis wherever and whenever it might happen. Our role in the 31st Marine Expeditionary Unit is to serve as the crisis response force for the Indo-Pacific region. In this iteration of MEUEX, we did two separate scenarios. We did one that focused on the foreign humanitarian non-combatant evacuation operations, and then we broke and came back when the situation got a lot worse and conducted all of our mission essential tasks like strike and conducting raids. The synchronization is critically important. So everybody understanding what their role in the sequence of events is and being able to do it on time, on target, sets conditions to make sure that the squad leader who's executing at the point of friction has all of the support he needs. And that's the standard that we train to every time that we do MEUEX here on the 31st MEU. Every member of the MAGTAF poured their blood, sweat, and tears into both planning and executing complex MAGTAF operations, and they were ready to execute and were able to do so rapidly and effectively. Even when we're not on ship, we are ready to deploy on a moment's notice. And that's really coming back to the initial question of what MEUEX is for. We're not building readiness, we're sustaining readiness that already exists. And I feel like MEUEX 22.1 is the perfect example where we had three elements in the MAGTAF. We came ready to plan, ready to execute.